So this is a mixing situation we have going on, that you got like 4 or 5 stems and you try to have a mix bus compression going on. What we found out in mixing, while we're doing a lot of mixes every day, is when you have the right decision in mix bus compression, it's really easy to dial everything in, so you don't have a hard time with EQ and compression to get the final result. That's basically what the mix bus compressor is doing for us. It gives us a sort of, as I said, the package. It gives us the final sound, the polished sound, how we perceive it when we have a, I would say, radio ready mix. And that makes us go not into deep by low cutting everything, destroying everything, by compressing the bass too much, because you have a feeling of how it will sound all together when it gets compressed. And don't forget, it's a different thing if you have a drums, just the drums compressed with the compressor, the bass compressed, or a whole mix bus compressed, because of intermodulation distortion, because of non-linearities that are different. It's not a sine wave that we put into a compressor. There are a lot of frequencies. The more it is, the frequency, the compressor reacts. Okay? And in some cases, you want to have that sound. We call it glue. But what does that mean? You know? So that is the mix provided by my buddy
Ken Meekin,
aka Tonee Jukeboxx. So let's go, Kenny.
Ich halte dich in meinen Armen, kann es fühlen, dass du glücklich bist. Gib mir mehr von deinen Farben, kannst dich zeigen, wie du wirklich bist. 'Cause you're my only the one for me. You're the one for me. Baby girl, you're my love, I would on my me. Einfach raus aus der Stadt in den Strand ausziehen. Vielleicht ist Saint-Tropez. Die Sterne zum Greifen, dann nach in die Alpen. Schau, wie der Mond auf uns scheint.
This is something I want to show you as well. The more I dial this thing in, the more I learn about this device. I'm going crazy. Listen to, I'm just have the device in the insert. I'm not doing anything with this device whatsoever. You see that? Hit it is in, but it's not doing compression at all. The threshold is all the way up. Listen now to the depth of the sound field again.
Ich halte dich in meinen Armen, kann es fühlen, dass du glücklich bist. Gib mir mehr von deinen Farben, kannst dich zeigen, wie du wirklich bist. 'Cause you're my only the one for me. You're the one for me. Baby girl, you're my love, I would on my me. Einfach raus aus der Stadt in den Strand ausziehen. Vielleicht ist Saint-Tropez. Die Sterne zum Greifen, dann nach in die Alpen. Schau, wie der Mond auf uns scheint.
That's about amazing analog gear. Sometimes when I started mixing, I sent it out to a mastering engineer. I asked the mastering engineer, can you do me a favor? Can I come into your mastering room and see what you have done? No. I pay you. No. So the only explanation that I had was I didn't do shit, because the mix was really good. And I was really impressed by myself. I was really honored that the mastering engineer said that. And the only thing that he said is I had a device just engaged in the signal path. I just rendered it.
Two things here from my side here. One thing, the quality of the converter is really important here. So to get the most out of this kind of gear, the quality should be really top notch. Otherwise, the benefit would not that much here. And as you mentioned, the bypass button, I knew some special vintage gear they don't have a bypass button, and this is sometimes annoying because you don't really know what the audio circuit is done. Especially with compressors, you can maybe disengage the internal circuitry that creates the compression, but not the complete audio signal path. You don't really know what's going on in that device. And sometimes people bring me some gear, hey, this is really cool, I patch it in, but with no bypass, so I have no chance to have it without any signal pass, because sometimes even in analog domains the signal pass is not that good, and maybe the benefit is not that much as you expected.
1,000,000%. So having a true bypass makes it even more neat than before. And the funny bit is, even if I have the hit not engaged, you can see the gain reduction that I applied. Another neat thing. So you know what you dialed in. That's crazy. Although it's not engaged. And then you engage it, and then all of a sudden you hear the gain reduction, or what it does to the audio material. And that's another neat thing that I didn't see in a lot of compressors. So, guys, let's dial in some things. So I would say it's finished, but okay, we need to hear some compression. Can you hear what I'm doing? I'm totally exaggerating, finding the right attack and release who is swinging with the delay. I can hear the groove and the feeling that the singer wants to impress and show me. And especially when the delay comes in and I'm looking for the right groove. I'm totally exaggerating it and then dial it back. The groove is exceptional. A good hearing, Farzad. Maybe you don't have to clean your ears. Let's go. Listen to the kick and the singer. Is that singing gold? No, it's Kobe.
No, it's
Kobe again.
No, Chilla One.
Chilla One. Okay, let's go.
By the way, guys, just saying, what a song also.
Thank you.
Just
we love you
nice
as well.
Just by the way, it's coming out tonight.
Yes, baby. So maybe this will be on that.
Beautiful boy.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
So let's go for that. Bye.
Yaga.
Oh God, it's really, that is really crazy.
What I can say here from my point is, it's pushing emotions to the song.
Yes,
I think that's very hard to dial in with audio gear, especially also with plugins. What you won't find really, it's pushing emotion. And this is when you hear the song, maybe in the radio or not direct, this kind of emotion is what keeps you hearing more and more to the song. I think that's really important. Everybody wants to have with the music, even if you never hear that active, it's more okay side by side, but wow, what is a nice song. So it's a very little difference between that's okay or wow, that's a nice song. This little magic, emotional, pushing the emotions, what's going on here. And I think there's in combination what this way of compression is doing, but also the way how the audio signal passes to exactly bring that out.